Hi, my name is Alna, and today we are going to assemble Rapunzel fairy tale inspired pop-up card. All my designs in digital format you can find in my Etsy store. There you can buy not only Studio 3 or SVG files, but also DIY paper kits consisting of already cut details for quick assembly. I live in Russia, but I ship worldwide, and there are always Russian and English versions in my designs. So don't worry, your titles will be in English. Before you start this project, make sure that you have black and white pens and special pen holder for your cutting machine. So let's begin. Fold the base and attach gray square to the bottom and white square with clouds to the top, but don't overlap central score line. Align gray mountains to the right and to the left. There is a convenient place for waterfall in the center of big mountain. Fold all sections of tower base one by one, trying not to rumple them. Then attach central tower holder to the base. To assemble bottom part of the tower, I used light grip washi tape. Fix it only on top sections. Make sure that all stripes are fitted tightly together, without gaps or overlaps. Then apply glue only to bottom sections, but not too much. Close the card and hold for a minute. Pull the washi tape and remove it carefully without opening the card completely. Attach gray hemisphere to the tower. It will serve as a balcony basement. Assemble the balcony detail following the same routine as we did with the tower. Then fix tower top and fold the window, which also consists of two details. First glue the bottom holder, then fold two upper sections, apply glue only on the last one and close the card to fix it. Fold big pop-up holder by all its score lines. Apply glue to the back side and attach it to the card base. Fold two sections of each stripe, apply glue to the last segments and close the card again. So now we have a stand for our fairy forest. But first we need our princess to be housed. Fold the score lines in the direction I show you. Do the same with the big golden hair detail. Place princess slightly behind the window and pass her hair through the hole. Fix it on glue behind the tower part. Try to place the girl as low as possible, so we could touch the lowest step with the hair and glue it. Also, we should attach the last hair section to the card base. If your curl comes out from the card edge, just cut it. We also need some trees at the left of the card. So let's prepare pop-up holders. First glue the tall and thin one, and then the short one. Here glue should be applied only to the right part of the holder's back. Place purple trees where you like them to be. I arranged them that way so we couldn't see the technical pop-up holder behind them. And it's time to decorate covers. Attach long hair curl with letters to the back side of the card. It should follow hair direction from inside. Add here one more golden curl. Assemble the cover hair composition also by adding golden details and the second curl. Align it to the left corner. Right after that, fix white base and then follow its silhouette. Glue magnet and cover it with golden curl. Put the second magnet on the first one, apply drop of glue and press it to the card cover. Let it dry properly and attach a gray square. I decorated white crown with purple rhinestones and used Glossy accents by Ranger to make purple crown brilliant and volume. And our card is ready! So guys, I hope you liked this video. There are many other fun projects which you can buy in my Etsy store or order from my Instagram page. All links you will find down below. Have a nice day and happy crafting! Bye!